Okay, hello, welcome back to the Broken Doll. This is going to be part 2. It shut off. I kind of wonder because the time of mixing the paint and everything, the clock is a ticking against me there, so, and talking about the leg and everything, but anyway, that's okay. We're going to keep on moving, do a part 2 on this. So we'll just do that instead. I just want to come up in here. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. And I think this will be it for it. Let this dry overnight. And whoops, we're taking off tomorrow. My daughter and I are. We have to go do some shopping. Just get a few groceries that we're in need of, and just get out. Here we go. There. I think, does that nail it now? Does that make it look better, or did I get what I wanted done? Yeah, I think I'm going to be satisfied with that. Let's see. It's right in here. I'm having a hard time with it. Okay. I think that helped me out a lot better. That did right there, putting this in. Now, what I want to do is just up here. Oh, this is going to be so tiny. Right in here, there's a little niche. Just a little one. Okay, I just want to go up there and fill that little tiny little hole up. Right here. Probably lose it in the... Oh, that's even still too big. I wonder if I just some spackling within. That's going to be hard to sand all that out of there too. I don't want to do that either. There we go, right there. That little bit right in here. Come on, you can do it. Ugh. Okay, let's see if we can get that on there. Sometimes getting it off the finger is huge. There we go. There we go, take that out. That little fleck out. There we go. And we just want to get it in here. Just get that. I think I'm going to leave it. Know when to fold up, know when to walk away. So I filled up that little there, and I kind of got this looking better, this eye. It is not quite where I want it. I just want to put another layer for some reason right in here. It just feels like it's just not meeting my what I wanted. But let's see. Maybe that will do it. I think that, oh, that does it. Oh, that helped out big time. Now I'm seeing what I wanted there. Oh, yeah. That's better. Okay, I can live with that now. I feel better. Oh, do I ever feel better. Yeah, I hope you can see that there. How nice that looks, that eye. Looks so much nicer. Oh, yeah. All right. Okay, we're going to let that dry. And now we want to deal with that hand that we saw with the hole in the hand. Where's the other hand? I got the other parts over here. Okay, I set them in a box. And I want to take a look at anything that might be to the left or to the right. So we want to get that little hole done right there. I'm wondering if just a little bit of spackling will do that, but we're here with the Milliput. Let's use it. It doesn't need much. It just needs a little bit. Like I say, This stuff here is, that's going to be a waste. Because it's just such a little, I should have done half of that. Just half would have done it, but oh well. Learn from my mistakes here, I say. There we go, right in there. Okay, just gonna press in there. There we go, we filled that up. Let that harden. Let's make it so there's no ridge in there. Not much of one anyways. We're gonna push down on that. Blend it as much as we can. See how we blend that? So the less sanding, the better for everything. There we go, let that harden. Everything else looks really good on this. So that needs to harden. All right. So my next step is, since these two are under repair, let's take this leg here. I thought there was a problem with one of the toes here. Well, it's nothing too bad. I thought it was worse than that. So, or was it this one here? Nope, it was this one. Okay, I'm not going to get too upset over this here. I'm going to let that be. And let's wipe these down. That's my next step I want to do, is just do a nice wipe down. Not enough to take off the white or anything. Just enough. So damp, 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 damp. I hope I get that across really well. I hope to make that part 3. Where are we at here? No, we got some time yet on this one. So what we want to do is just really make this damp. I can't express that enough. We're going to use my dunking water here, and we're going to just really, these things don't soak up a whole lot either. So it takes them a lot to soak up. Yeah, this is great. Oh yeah. There we go. Oh. There we go. Bring up my rag. Oh. Go. Damp. So damp. I'm going to try to wring it out again. Yeah, it's getting where there's some more. There. Okay. So we just want to do a little bit. Just to get that loose stuff off. Just a little bit like this. We don't have to do a lot on it. It doesn't have to be overwhelming, or I'm not looking for a total wipe down. Just so you can see some of the white. I thought I could see some of it on there. That's all you want to do, just enough just to pat it down. There we go. That's enough right there. Okay, we're getting ready to paint. The head and this arm will have to dry, but we are getting ready to paint now. I'm going to start looking at my paint. That will be my next video. And, well, I'll sand that eye, get it ready and everything. It doesn't matter if I go ahead and do the arms right now and the legs. They can be done right now, and I just won't go any further after their first coat to make sure that the head and the arms pick up their first coat as well. So this is wonderful. So thank you for joining me, and I hope you enjoy what you're seeing here. It's turning out really nice. Now, I will see through the first coat of paint where the paint is falling. If I don't like what I see, we're going back to sand. I'm going, well, not we, I'm going back to Sandy, but I'm gonna put it out there for you to watch me though. And we're gonna see what happens on the first coat and just where things are going. And that usually tells me just what I have to do next. So I hope you're enjoying this, seeing this all being done and everything, and how this baby is turning out. A lot going on. It always is. There we go. There's a lot to these dolls. And I've learned a lot over the 12 years of doing this and making my mistakes. And I learned by my mistakes. And that's how you do this. You make, like I said, I think this summer I'm going to go out on my table outside and I'm going to show you my dolls as you can see my progression as I went through and started painting dolls and whatnot and restoring them. And you can see how I started and where I landed and where I'm still going. All right. Thanks for joining me. If you're passing by, subscribe. And if you you like what you see here, give me a thumbs up and a comment down below and I'll read them. So thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.